Java Basics, String Builder class and the constructor. Manipulate data using the String Builder class and its methods. Now let us see what is a string class. A string class is a representation of string of characters. Strings are constant values. Let us see how strings are used. String st1 is equal to open inverted commas kyc close inverted commas semicolon / declaration of string data. We can also write the same syntax as character data 1 open close square brackets is equal to open curly bracket open inverted commas k close inverted commas comma open inverted commas y close inverted commas comma open inverted commas c close inverted commas close curly bracket semicolon string st1 is equal to new string open bracket data 1 close bracket semicolon. Let us also see how can the class string be used. The class string comprises of the methods which help to examine individual characters of the string, compare the two strings, search strings, extract strings, and create a copy of the string. Do you know that Java language also supports the concatenation operator plus for string? String concatenation is carried also by the string builder class and the append method of the same. When you want to convert a string, make sure you use the method toString open bracket close bracket. Now let us discuss a bit about the string builder class. String objects are similar to the string builder class objects except for the fact that they can be modified. They are treated as variable length arrays which have sequence of characters. You can anytime change the length and the content of the sequence by invoking a method. So the question arises, why use string builders? Well, when you have to concatenate a very large number of strings, then you should use string builder class effectively and efficiently. So, what are the different methods in string builder class? String builder class has two methods for retrieving the length and capacity. Length open bracket close bracket. This is the method which will return the length of the sequence of characters in the builder. Capacity open bracket close bracket. Note that this function is not there for string class. The number of character spaces allocated is the output of this capacity function. This is always greater than or rather equal to the length of the string and gets expanded automatically if you have additional accommodations to the string builder class. Let us take a look at the various string builder constructors. String builder open bracket close bracket. String builder open bracket integer initial capacity close bracket. String builder open bracket character sequence CS close bracket. String builder open bracket string S close bracket. Now let us see one example of string builder class. If we have to create an empty string builder of capacity 16, then the code is string builder AB is equal to new string builder open bracket close bracket semicolon. Now this will create a string builder which has an allocation of 16 empty cells and no data or characters in that string builder as in the figure below, which has capacity open bracket close bracket is equal to 16 AB. Example 2. Class string builder 1 open curly bracket public static void main open bracket string arguments open close square brackets close bracket open curly bracket string builder AB is equal to new string builder open bracket close bracket semicolon string builder AB2 is equal to new string builder open bracket AB close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket. This code will create an object AB2 of class StringBuilder1 that has the same set of characters as the object which is passed to it. In our case, we have passed AB as an object. Thus, object AB will have same 16 characters and no data. Let us see the third example of the string builder class. Do this coding. And in this coding, we have to add string builder AB3 is equal to new string builder, open bracket 10, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket. In this case, the string builder object AB3 is created, which has an initial capacity of 10 characters. So do this coding. To this coding, we will add string builder AB4 is equal to new string builder, open bracket, open inverted commas, hello, close inverted commas, close bracket, semicolon, close curly bracket, close curly bracket. This will create a string builder AB4 which has initial values as hello, as that is passed to the constructor.